Introducing the latest asset pack from ScansMatter, the Walkway Platform Kit. This asset pack allows you to bring your walkway designs to life with astonishing fidelity. Choose between two main styles, the lightweight option and the heavy-duty version. Each style offers a wide range of highly modular pieces, providing endless possibilities to craft walkways that suit your unique vision. But that's not all. The Walkway Platform Kit also features highly flexible materials, empowering you with control over material types, dirt, damage effects, and so much more. And here's the best part. We've harnessed the power of Unreal Engine 5 to create an extensive demo scene. This captivating environment serves as both inspiration and a valuable learning resource, enabling you to unlock the full potential of our kit. So, whether you're a game developer, cinematographer, or a creative enthusiast, we invite you to unleash your imagination with the Walkway Platform Kit. Available now. Visit our website for more details.